everybody asks me, like, what's the best burger, what's the best steak, what's the best pizza. So I'm gonna take this evening to show you the best value steak in town. Now you guys may have this steak place at your place. I'm currently at Longhorn Steakhouse, and I'm gonna show you what I feel is the best steak around. And I'll explain a few reasons why. Alright guys, this is the section I'm looking at, legendary steaks. And it kind of went up a few dollars, but it's the Outlaw ribeye right there. The second one under Flo's Filet. The Outlaw ribeye, what I like about it is they give it to you with the bone in. So it's not meat glue, it's not fake ribeye, it's not pretend ribeye. It's real ribeye with the bone in. And it's seasoned very well. And it's only $28.29. I like that steak better than I have over at Morton's or over at Ruth Chris. It's a good steak. So I'll show it to you in a minute up close. And once again, I mean, you can't find a steak that quality anywhere in town. $28.29, not bad.
That's all right.
Okay, guys, there's a look at it. There's the bone right there, bone in, and that's crucial. You have a bone-in ribeye. That means they haven't taken meat scraps and glued it all together and cut it to look like a ribeye. Look at how juicy this thing is. It's delicious. And then I got some caramelized Brussels sprouts, plus I had a salad, and all that came for the price. I mean, you can't beat it. Everybody else would sell you this steak for $55 and above. Alright, you see what it looks like there? Beautiful it is. And medium rare. Looks like they did a great job on cooking it. Oh, it looks beautiful. Okay. I can't explain the seasoning they use in this steakhouse. Some of the best steakhouse seasoning ever. If you don't believe me, try it. And then write me and tell me how right I am. It's beautiful.